Today I'm checking out this RV Y adapter power cord that allows you to take a 50 amp 240 volt connection and split it into two. Now Wes sent this at no cost so I can do the review, but let's take this thing out of the plastic and see what it does. So I've got this out of the bag now, and what this is a 50 amp power plug. As you see here, your standard 50 amp 240 volt power plug you have here, and this is what you would normally have like plugging in an RV. So this is the same style plug that our RV uses, but what this does is this lets you take this power and split it into two plugs, so you can now, let's say, run two RVs off the same plug. Now it's not generating more power, but what it's doing is it's taking that connection and dividing it up so each RV can connect to that same power. If you have one RV not using that much and the other one uses, the rest of it, that's fine, as long as both of these added together doesn't exceed the power that this plug is providing. So these are awesome when you have friends camping with you and they have a camper, but they may not have a generator. This would also be very useful if you're, let's say, at a campground and you pull your RV with an electric vehicle. You would be able to have your RV and your electric vehicle plugged in and charging, or anything like that. Anywhere you would need two of these plugs, but you only have one available, you could plug this into it and then have two plugs available so you could share the power. I'm going to go plug this in with our RV and let you see what it looks like. So right now we have our RV plugged in at our home, and this is how we power it when we have it here and we're packing for a trip. So all I'd have to do is pull that plug, and as you see there is the port. Then I take this plug, slide it in there. So now this is plugged in, and now I have two plugs that I could run an RV and something else off of. So I took this one plug and I split it into two. Cool thing about this one too is I love when they have these pull handles on it. That way you're not struggling with trying to pull off this from that plug, because that plug holds pretty well. So you normally have to put some power behind it to pull those, and these have that. So very cool. Yeah, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.